part is how we can create a data visualization not in Power BI, in fact in same tool using Snowflake. So for that, actually I am going to create another query. Select amount from table name. So let me go run a simple query. Okay, if I apply sum, now I'm going to apply a aggregate or summarize query. So it may show we have 5. Okay, so this type of thing we can apply, right? So based on this result set, the final result set, we can have we can develop a chart on based on the result set. For example, my result set is 500 and it's showing a sum of amount, like amount, and now I want to add one more column which is full name. Okay, then I need to apply a group by full name, and I will love order by as well. Let's see. So here we have a result set, and based on the final result set we can create a chart as well. If I go to chart option and I want to apply bar chart, so value is 500. So based on this we have this thing. So here we have some option like full name, sum of amount. We alias this column as AMT, so AMT, apply this. Now I want to look at the chart, that amount I can change this column, you know, I can add column as well. So let me add full name. So here we have luckily all employees has same amount, that's why it's showing this, but we can change the orientation like 10 line, and then we can have a scatter value. So but for that we need to actually change some type of orientation of the data. Okay, so let me go and use update. Let's say this time I'm saying that 120 where employee ID is equal to 3. So let's run this query. Okay, now we will see what effect it has. So employee number 3, maybe Akbar is a code, so it's changed 120. Now I'm going to change 150 for the employee ID, whose employee ID 5. Randomly I'm going to change it. Alright, so let me go and check this. Okay, 150 is here. So now let's come back to the chart again, and I want to use line chart. So here you see so it's instantly or dynamically runtime is updated, chart is updated, so you don't need to update, or just you need to run this command and your chart will be ready. So it's a bar chart again, so you can play different option like descending, ascending, and let me just you have appearance, add columns like this. So I hope you like this video, or you can understand the purpose of the Snowflake. So I will also like to attach this Snowflake data in a Power BI as a visualization.